Advancing women and girls in technology ecosystem is something that I'm very passionate about, and we cannot overemphasize the need to keep focusing on strategy to bridge gender parity in technology ecosystem. That is why I'm happy to support the efforts of women in technology in Nigeria to bridge the gender gap in IT field in our country. Though gender parity is not peculiar to technology industry alone, but is more pronounced in technology space due to limited participation of girls in STEM right from school. Therefore, we need to focus on addressing the core issues. We need to address areas where we can actually make sure that our girls are exposed to STEM at very early stage and they can get comfortable with STEM. We need to promote the importance of STEM and the positive impact girls can make taking on STEM subjects and pursuing STEM related careers at early stage. We also need to encourage girls and women that do not have STEM background that it's possible for them to do very well in technology field with the right level of support, guidance, and exposure. And we've seen different examples. I would like to make reference to Fatima Ahmed, a chemistry graduate who didn't have any idea about programming or building website, and who was unsure of her employment status post-graduation from the university. But with the skills acquired during the Women Techstars program, an initiative of Microsoft in partnership with Tech for Them, she was able to get a good foundation to progress in building a career in technology industry. And today, she's a technical support engineer at Tech Expert. If we look at a PwC report on women remaining underrepresented in emerging tech, highlights that emerging tech is a critical field for women to help shape, and every day our dependence on the speed and efficiency of new technology grow. If only half of the population, which is the case today, designs technologies, users are missing out on the insights, innovations, and solutions for the other half. With women, this will foster inclusivity and help introduce new viewpoints and ideas to emerge in emerging technologies. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has created an economic crisis, forcing tens of millions of people out of work. As economics starts to open, some jobs, unfortunately, may not come back, at least not fast enough to meet the demand of unemployment. The jobs that do not come back will require more digital skills. In a post-COVID world, all people, especially those from the hardest hit industries and most vulnerable communities, which women are a huge chunk of, will need to learn new skills to rejoin the workforce prepared for in-demand roles in a more digital economy. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more. And we believe that empowering women in technology-related fields on the African continent will spur more women pursuing economic growth, equality, and innovation. We want to create a culture where more women are attracted to the tech-related field and believe in themselves as having a career path in the tech industry. For example, 2 years ago, in partnership with Tech for Dev, we started the Women Techstars journey and piloted with the Nigerian Women Techstars program, where we had the opportunity to take the program to 12 states in Nigeria and directly impacted 2,475 women with new technology skills and helping to change the narrative of women not just being users of technologies, but creators of technologies. We are also working with organizations across Nigeria to sponsor young women who want to take on IT career into our LEAP program, an initiative of Microsoft that provides intensive apprenticeship program, forging new pathways for diverse candidates into tech careers. We encourage our employee as well to take on initiative to support women in IT field. For example, one of our employee, Eduabasi Chukwuweke, co-founded Wentos, an NGO providing mentoring platform for female talent in IT. Before I close, I would like to encourage everyone to join forces to ensure that we are making concerted effort to bring gender divide in technology. Everyone needs to get involved. Government, policymakers, NGOs, corporate organizations. We need to encourage more girls to take on STEM early on in their education and provide a pathway for young women to take opportunity in tech career irrespective of their background. I'm always